This is our lab's special folder. Why is it so special? Well, it's basically a recipe book. It contains all the different recipes or instructions for how to make different types of cell media so I can feed my cells. So today I need to make a bunch of new media to keep my cells fed and happy. So I thought I'd show you what I'm making and how you do it. I'm making 2 bottles of 500 mils of CDM/PVA++ media. First up, I have the IMDM, which provides the core nutrients for cell growth, so that's 250 ml in each, and then Ham's F12 nutrient mix, which provides extra vitamins and trace nutrients which are needed for growth. Then I add concentrated lipids, which provides fats for cell membranes and energy, and then pen/streptomycin, which prevents bacterial contamination in my media. Then 5 ml of PVA to replace the serum and help cells grow in defined media. After that, I add a tiny bit of MTG or 1-thioglycerol to protect cells from oxidative stress so that they can keep growing in stressful environments. Then some insulin to help cells take up and use dense nutrients. And the last thing that I add is a tiny amount of transferrin to deliver the iron needed for cell function. So as you can see, all of these bits of things that I've had to tick off and keep a track of here are really important for cell growth and are found in the human body. Once I've done that, I need to pass all this liquid through the sterile filter. So I turn on the vacuum pump, and you can see with that added on, all of that media then gets sucked through, and I just need to wait for that for a couple of minutes. Then I take off the lid and label the bottle with the media I made, the date, and my name. I then transfer 50 ml of this mix to new tubes to make FSB, or the medium that you give your neural crest cells to keep them growing. So that uses FGF2 and SB, which encourages neural crest growth and pushes stem cell towards the neural crest line. Then I made PT using PGF-BB and TGF-beta, and that matures cells into contractile smooth muscle cells. Finally, you can see me using the media I just made of PT to feed my smooth muscle cells and then put them back in the incubator to keep growing. I worked a total of 6 hours for the day, 1,158 hours total for the PhD. I make content like this every day, so please follow for more if you like.